Hello, it's John, and thank you for clicking on my channel. I'm gonna attempt to make some walking poles, and if you remember last year I made this one, and I really enjoyed making it, and I use it quite a bit. Anyway, I've got a couple of friends, Nick and Gary, and they want a pole making, so I've offered to make them a pole, and I'm going to show you how I make a simple walking pole. Last year I harvested some sticks, or poles if you like, out of Hazel, and it seems that's what these experts make them from. And the first thing I do is try and get all the knobs off where the branches have been, and then I'm going to straighten them. So I've got a practice stick here, and look how bent that is. And what I've done, I've made a little jig what I can put my stick in and try and force it straight. But first of all I need to apply some heat, and I'm going to use my hot air gun. Applying some heat here. Wow, that's a lot straighter than what it was. Just steady away. Well, I've had a practice on this, and that's a lot better. So I'll carry on with my other toe now. I've rubbed the stick down and I'm ready to start putting a picture of Gary's dog, what he lost last year, Parsons Jack Russell, and this is the picture of his dog, Pebbles, beautiful dog. And I've just done a print of Parsons Jack Russell, what I got off the internet, and I've traced it onto this piece of paper, and I can now put his markings on to that one. That's what I'm going to do. So I've got this taped on in place where I'm going to pyrograph it, and if I go over there with my marker, it should transfer the pencil line onto the wood, hopefully, if I've got it the right way up. Right, I've got it traced onto the shaft of the walking pole, and I think that looks alright. I traced it on the first time. I didn't like where it was, so I rubbed it all out, sanded it all out and put it back on again. So I hope I've got it in the right place now. Well, that's my pyrography done, and I hope Gary likes my rendition of pebbles. To give the walking pole a bit of colour and protection, I just use boiled linseed oil. Now, before you use this, read all the cost regulations. I just pour a bit in a tray, put a rag in it, and then give it a good coating. Can you see this? Yeah. And just look how that brings out. Gary's hiking pole's finished now, and I've put a length of 19mm copper tube on the end, which I've put a tack in and anodited it to stop the stick wearing away. And I've also given it a clean up and a bit of clear varnish on the end. On the other end, I've put on the Parson Jack Russell with my artistic license. Pebbles. And then further down the shaft, I've whipped on a handle with paracord. So I hope you'll be happy with this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.